Nanginginig.
Mamaya na yung iba.
Mamaya na yun.
Mamaya na yung iba. Okay? Ladies and gentlemen, magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. Yeah? So, we are here to witness the union of Richard and Krista. Okay, they have decided to get married today. Today is the 5th of September. Oh, ito na yung anniversary nila. Magiging anniversary. If you get married in church or whatever church that you like, sana September 5. Otherwise, you will have wedding anniversary. Pero pa, kung kakasal tayo sa ibang simbahan, sa simbahan, okay lang, kahit ano po, basta ang anniversary is September 5 because the first thing happened today. No? So, Richard, you take Krista as your lawfully wedded wife, beloved friend. Krista, you take Richard as your husband, to love and cherish forever. Okay na yata yun.
Nauna ko yes. Minadali mo eh.
Okay, do you promise before me?
Chris ka.
Love one another and seek to serve health for each other for the fullest. Okay, well said, ha? Oh, narinig niyo yun. So the promise was made today, as I said, today is September 5. And there will be a lot more promises later on. Okay? What is important is, medyo 30, ano? At 26. So, you waited for this day. And, I've been partners for a long time. 6 months. 6 months is not a long time. Okay? So, the decision that was made today is, ayan. Everybody is happy. Everybody is excited. I think this is a manifestation. You're meant for each other. And the promises that you've made today, sana wala atrasa. Okay, walang divorce sa Philippines. Yeah. Okay, and then the Bible says, where will you be staying? Sa Nicolas, Lawag, La Union? La Union. Okay. Dito kayo pinuntan. San Fernando, pwede yun, ano? So it is written in the Bible, no? Aside from the book of Genesis, something is written there. A man will leave his father and his mother and shall live with his wife. They shall become flesh. It is actually the Bible. So when we say that, we mean priorities. We do not mean the physical house, but we mean our priorities is like the people that you love. Okay, when you're not married, it's the father and the mother. Okay, it is your priority. But once you get married, it's different altogether. So my priority is to stay with my family. So it was priority. And then the children, kasama. Okay. Ibig sabihin, you will be serving your husband. So, yeah. Marunong magluto. Ano ba yan? Nagkaroon ng protest. Okay. So Richard, so kailangan marunong ka rin magtaba.
Si Richard na sumasagot.
Lalabas. Ayan, marunong ka maglaba. Please ka. So, kung pagsikat doon lang, siya na rin siya. What is important is, the little thing that you do will be manifestations of your love. No? Okay? So, there are a lot of things to learn when you get married? Ha? Oh, first time nyo naman pareho. So, marami na yung maaralit pa. Ha? Marami na yung and then of course, the reason why you think it's undoubtedly, mahal yung isa't isa. So, if you read the Bible, you will read about love. Puro love at hanggang actually. Love to your God, to our God, yung fellow love. Tapos, meron din kasama yung pagmamahal sa kasama. Yan lang. I think mamaya you will have a little gathering siguro. Sila na sister mo sila. Tapos kung kakasama kayo sa bahay, hindi na gumagawa yung pari. O pastor. Kaya hindi mo nakakapa. Ha? Okay na. Ilalagay na tayo. You will say something, ha? Discuss. Social process. Ilang tanda. Walang hanggang. Pag-ibig ko sa'yo. Yan, ikanta mo. Kasi naman. Siloso ko sa'yo. Ang sinisip ko. Bilang tanda. Nang walang hanggang. Pag-ibig ko sa'yo. Okay? Okay. So, okay na. Yung aras sa ano na, sa kasal na. Wala pa na. Holding hands pa rin. Dapat hindi nag-iiwan na yan. Dapat sa akin. Okay? Richard, please ka. Meron tayo, ha? Now that you're one pleasure bound to the vows of the privilege is divine to you for a lifetime. Those one that put together that no one puts a sanctuary so that the powers rest in the best. And after that, alas pa rin. Bakit? Akala niyo papakis ko sila. Yes. 10 minutes.
Tagalan niyo kasi yung camera.
Okay.
Nakakatawa naman.